Hey everyone, you join me away on a little holiday in Spain. I'm in a place called Mojacar, which is really stunning, and we're staying up in the Parody, which is really high up in the mountains, and we're looking down on the beautiful Playa de Mojacar at the bottom there. So I'm away just for a week. I've got my Canon EOS R with me, and I'm really hoping that on some evenings I can get out and get some nice astrophotography, just some Milky Way shots, and just have a little bit of fun in the nice dark skies that you can find out here. And we've got some lovely clear weather, so we should hopefully get some nice star views. So hopefully you'll come along for the adventure. My name's Glenn and you're watching Astrobloke. That feels a bit better. It was a really hot day today. It's actually gone up to 34 degrees Celsius, so yeah, quite a scorcher. Anyway, lovely. Luckily we've got this lovely pool to cool off in. So I had a look last night down off the top here, and there's a lot of light pollution. If I turn you round for a second, that is Mojacar down there, and that is basically lit up like a Christmas tree, as is the other part of the town over there. So quite challenging. It is washing out the Milky Way, which is a shame. However, if I look over, and I'll just turn you around again, if we look over there to the right, Mojacar kind of ends, and there's some deserted areas that way. It's very dark, and I'm hoping getting around the other side of the mountains that I'll be shielded from the light dome of Mojacar. And I do know of like a turret that's on the coast, right by all the rocks and that. Like, I don't know if it's an old lighthouse or lookout tower, but it's been there a long time. I saw it quite some years ago, so I'm going to venture out over there, have a look, and I'm going to go there in the dark. Basically, it'll be a little bit deserted. There's not a lot about. Hopefully I won't meet anyone, because my Spanish is not fantastic. But yeah, going to get out there and hopefully get some nice Milky Way shots. So wish me luck, and we'll give it a go. Okay, so I ventured out. It's about midnight. I'm in middle of nowhere, where this little turret was, which I took some images of today, especially with the drone. And I've come back because it's lovely and dark here, and I'll turn the camera around, and hopefully you can see I've got my camera there, and there's some little lights on the turret, little green lights. They are showing it up, but I'm getting the Milky Way behind it. A little bit windy, but it's a lovely evening, not cold at all. Really nice. Just a little bit weird. Obviously, if anyone comes by, they're going to wonder what I'm up to, and obviously my Spanish is rather bad. I can ask for a beer, that's about it. Anyway, I've got the camera firing some 10-second subs at 6400 f4. I've only got my kit lens on there, but it is a really nice kit lens. It's an L lens, and it's 24 to 105. I've got it at 24mm at the moment, and I'm just trying to capture the Milky Way with this turret in front. And I think I might even be grabbing a bit of Roafiki, which the last time I imaged I was in Greece, so hopefully I'll get some more of that. Anyway, going to turn this red light off now and carry on with the capturing, and hopefully have something nice to share with you soon. So, next morning, and I think last night, was successful. Managed to get some images of the Milky Way. I wasn't aware that the little turret I saw in the daytime is actually lit up at night, but it was lit up with that green light. But that's okay, give it a bit of interest. There is another building that I passed on my way to that turret, which I want to venture to tonight. So that will be where I'm going to go tonight, and hopefully get some more shots of the Milky Way with that in the foreground. Today, however, we're going up to the Mojacar Pueblo, which is a little village up the mountain. Yeah, we're going to go up there. We've been there before. It's a lovely little place. Have some lunch or something. And I'll also get the drone off the top there because it's really high up, so it'll give us some fantastic big views. So we're going to do that today, and then tonight I'll be packing up again, making my way out, and hopefully getting some more Milky Way shots with the Canon EOS R. So hopefully you'll come along too. Good evening. I'm not sure how well you can see me, but I ventured out again. We're going home. Well, tomorrow's our last night, and we've got to go home fairly early, so I can't stay out late tomorrow night. So I thought I'd come out again, and I've gone for a slightly different target today. Is a larger building that's down on the coast. I'll just see if you can see it in the distance there. And I've got the Milky Way coming up on the left. But what I'm actually trying out, which I haven't done for quite a long time actually, is my iPhone. So what you might not realise with the iPhone, and I've got the iPhone 15, is that it will take a 3-second photograph if it detects it's night time and you've turned the flash off. but you can actually, if you push up from the bottom of the screen, turn that to a 10-second photo. However, if you put your phone into a tripod, a holder, or prop it up against something so it's not moving at all, it'll allow you to take a 30-second photo. And I'll tell you now, it's a lot better than you realise. I mean, I'll just show you pretty from this camera what the image is like. I don't know if you can see that, but I will share it on the screen. But yeah, it's not a bad picture at all. I'm quite impressed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a good few minutes of this so that I can use Equator to stack them. Now, one of the things I don't like to do is I don't like to take a picture of the sky and then put it in on a foreground that I've taken somewhere else. I like to take the image all in one place so that it's as authentic as it can be. I mean, obviously it's not a single exposure, it will be a stack, but the Milky Way is where I'm taking the image, and the building is there too. So the Milky Way is off to the left side and the building there to the right. So we shall stack these up when we get back home, and then I shall share them with you. Had an absolutely fantastic holiday. It's been really nice, and actually when you get away from the resort it is dark. Yeah, sort of a middle of nowhere, but that's the way it goes. You have to venture out to get the shots you want. Anyway, I'm going to stay out here. I'm really enjoying it. It's a lovely evening, and it's about 20, 28, 29 degrees Celsius. It's beautiful. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Today is our last day. I am looking forward to getting home, and also disappointed. It's lovely to come out and enjoy some lovely weather, and it's absolutely beautiful here. So we've got some interesting shots of the Milky Way. I was only able to really bring my DSLR. The luggage that we booked was quite limiting, so weight-wise and size-wise I couldn't really bring much more. I'd have liked to have bought more gear, but maybe next time I'll maybe book an extra case and bring some more stuff. But I hope you have enjoyed the trip that I've taken. Enjoy the images that I'm about to share with you, and until next time, please take care, and of course, clear skies. Oh yeah. Oh, it's hot. Flaming. Scorching. Furnace. Who wouldn't lap this up? Oh, you could fry an egg on my stomach.